Hello guys, I'm Jesper. I'm from Astera. I'm here at ISE 23. Our recent product, the Hydrapanel. And the Hydrapanel, which I stand with here in my hand, is a very compact little panel, but you also see that it has 6 individually controllable pixels. Of course, when it looks like this, we also do have different kind of modifiers, just easy to clip on with magnets just like this. This is the intensifier. The other one, what we see down here, is the soft frame 100 degrees, and we can, with the egg crates, also go down to 40 degrees. So egg crate 60 degree and 40 degrees. Now this of course changes the beam angle, but also the view of the light, like eye candy when you can use it on stage. Program the pixels to create something fantastic. It's a very bright little light, has our Titan LED engine, so high CRI TLCI, which is great for camera use. Now, if you want a medium-sized panel as well, we can also combine them as you see on the stand here, so we can combine up to a maximum of 4 Hydrapanels. This is the Hydrapanel, guys. Visit our website, astera-led.com. Thank you.